Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. So before troubleshooting your TV, make sure that all the other devices around you have free access to the internet using the same Wi-Fi router that your TV has issues with. So try connecting to the internet using your telephone, using your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet, whatever, and see if they can connect to the internet using your Wi-Fi router. And if they do, then first of all, let's simply try to reconnect our TV to the Wi-Fi by going to Quick Settings menu and then navigating down to the Wi-Fi. Now here, select your Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to and go into its properties, go to the last option on the list, select Forget Network, then OK. And then try to reconnect to your network. Select See All right here, select your network once again, and re-enter the password to it. Then press OK, and wait until you are reconnected to your network. And right now, check your internet connection, and if you still have issues like you cannot, your Wi-Fi is working right, but you cannot use any web services, then the first thing that you gotta try is go into the system menu, and in system menu make sure that the date and time values in date and time menu are correct ones. So check your set date and set time fields and make sure that you see the proper date and time values in there. Then select if you don't see proper date and time in set date and set time values, first disable automatic date and time, and then set date and time values yourself manually, and then try to use internet once again, or just try toggle automatic date and time off and then on again and see if this corrects your date time values automatically. Now, if you still have internet issues, let's try to cold reset the TV by first turning the display off and then unplugging the TV from the power supply for about 2 minutes, and then just wait for these 2 minutes, and then just plug your TV back into the power source and wait until it restarts. Okay, if none of the previous steps helped you, then we can still try to rule some things out. For example, let's go back to settings and let's go to system settings. Then here we're gonna have to find and open storage menu and then select free up storage. And then let's try to clear all the cache we have on our TV. And after that, try using your web services once again and see if this resolves an issue. But if it doesn't, then maybe there is an issue with compatibility of your router and your TV. In such case, try creating a portable hotspot on your smartphone, and then instead of your Wi-Fi router, connect to your smartphone using this Wi-Fi menu. So once you have created the portable hotspot on your smartphone, try connecting to it and see if this works for you better than the router does. And if your TV is able to connect to mobile hotspot, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and not using mobile data, you can also try to update your TV by going to all settings menu and going to system and then selecting about system update and letting your TV download the latest software version and then restart it. So if your TV does connect to the Wi-Fi network using your smartphone, and after the update you still cannot use your Wi-Fi router, this is most probably a compatibility issue, and you can either just use another router, or you can see if your router has other band options like 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. As you can see, this network that I'm using has both 5G and 2.4G connections. So if the 5 gigahertz connection doesn't work for you, you can try switching to this one. And so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.